Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to actually unboxing PS5 Slim. And if you guys are wondering, it's not out. It's gonna come out next year. Well, it came out, and I'll show you what came with it. And right now, I don't like wearing same clothes to do videos and stuff, especially for unboxing. So especially though, I said for the past few weeks I've been uploading videos. Hey yo, get out of my way! Alright, anyways, yeah. So I've been unboxing videos, and for the past few weeks, you guys were like really helped me so much. Thanks for giving me 200 what's it called? Yeah, 278 subscribers. If it wasn't for you guys, I would never catch up to this much. Thank you so much, guys. For those who subscribe to me and those who are fans and subscribe, they're real ones. And if you guys and the other ones who don't subscribe to me, they're good too. I'm not saying I hate them. So yeah. Here we go, we're unboxing. Yeah, sometimes my bodyguard helps me and stuff, you know. Alright. Yes, there you go. There's my other bodyguard. Yeah. Yo, why you misdirecting me? Huh, son? Why the hell you making me in the wrong way? Son, you literally tell me what to do? Nah. But everyone's telling me how my story is supposed to go. But nah, I'ma do my own thing. Okay, so we got the charger for the PS5 controllers. And I know PS5 controllers. And that right there is a stand, I think, for the PS5. I'm not sure. And let's see what else we got here. Okay, bodyguard, help me. Actually, I don't need help. Oh, yeah, that's HDMI for the PS5, so we can connect it to our monitor or TV. I think that's our power, yeah. Yeah, and that's the controller, the DualSense controller. Original. Okay, there it is. Okay. Anyway, you think you can beat me in Fortnite? Like, what the hell? Like, come on, man. Like, you can never beat me, son. Alright, here's the console. Here is the PS5. Alright, yes, thanks for helping me, bodyguard. You know, I owe him one, man. He really helping me out, and so is my other one. So, yeah, there's my Modern Warfare 3. I got this bundle at Costco. Personally, I wouldn't get it at Walmart. I'm just saying. But for others, you guys can get it if you want. I don't want it because guess what? It was $570 at Costco. Can you believe that? And then at Walmart, it was $640 or $640. No, I'm not hating on Walmart. I'm just saying. I'm just saying politely. There is the PS5 Slim, guys. And if you actually compare with the original PS5, it's way more smaller than the original PS5. Look how small it is, bro. And especially, you know how you can tell if it's the PS5 Slim or the PS5 original. You can tell by the line. You see the line in the middle of the PS5. Yeah, that's how you can tell if it's a PS5 Slim. Why you zooming in, bodyguard? Like, what the hell, son? Hey, yo, why my other bodyguard putting her feet out? Alright, guys. Alright. Yeah, see? There's the Modern Warfare. There's the Modern Warfare. Bro, show the goddamn camera. And show him. God dang. Oh, yeah. There's the charger. For two of them. Because we actually have a controller. But I don't want to show it right now. I'm going to show you later. First, let me show you all this stuff. And then I'll show you the controller. Okay. Ready? Bro, why this kid taking so long? But I don't give a dang. I don't give a dang. So, bro, we gonna sit here all day. On God. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Time is ticking. Tick tock. Finally. Alright, here's the charger. Show it properly, god dang. Alright. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got here, son. Alright, son. So, yeah, move that PS5, cause honestly, if you bite that, so yeah. Alright. Okay. Oh, what do we have here? Oh yeah, we got this start guide, quick guide and start guide. So in case if you don't know what you're doing, that's there to guide you. Okay, and we got the, what's it called? The power for the charging. Okay, we got the power, we got the other power for the charging. And this is the charging station. This is the charging item. There it is. It kind of looks to me, if you look at by sideways, it kind of looks like the PS5 but way smaller version. To me, doesn't it look like a PS5 but a small version? Yeah, guys. So yeah. Yeah. Oh, there's the DualSense controller, and I'm making a video. And yeah, sorry, that's my bodyguard. My bad. She upstairs yelling at me. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, see, this is the controller I've been waiting for you guys to see. And honestly, to me, it's not that bad. It's actually pretty good. You know what it came with? So the bundle, you know what it came with? So it came with a controller, and then it came with the charging station, the charging item. And then it came with the power and the HDMI and blah blah blah. And the most importantly, we got the controllers and the PS5. And of course we can't forget the game Modern Warfare. Oh, look, ready? Oh my god. Come on. Ready? Hey. Cut that, alright? Cut that. Don't let them show my real strength, alright? Alright, see? Alright, we got the controller right here. We got the study guide as well. Well, I think it's for like powering on and stuff. And yep. There it is, guys. Just look at that beauty thing, guys. Yeah, okay, that's nice, real good. Anyways, peace out, guys. I hope you liked this video. Like and subscribe, and